Chiaramonti. This house is for sale, is completely renewed, and let's go inside and see what it looks like. So, stone tiles, stone walls. This is the original one. They decided to keep it, and wonderful kitchen, completely renewed. And down here they have the wine cellar and the washing machine with, all the appliances you may need to keep the house tidy. Over here they kept the original tools, since this was the bakery, and a lot of history here. We can tell that everything is wonderful. There's a small service toilet with its own electric boiler, and here the living room with a pellet stove, also radiators, and everything is going to stay. So all you have to do is move here and enjoy this wonderful house. Now let's go upstairs where the 2 bedrooms are. There is also the bathroom. Okay, just let's see the bathroom right away. Wonderful shower with stones and some nice details. As you can see here, everything is brand new, and the master bedroom is next to the bathroom, so you don't have to walk miles at night. And there's the view here. Oh, double glazed windows, by the way, completely new, and the bell tower and the clock tower at the same time. And the old traditional shades, the Sardinian one, which are new. Everything is fantastic. Let's see the other bedroom. And here as well, the ceiling is quite high. We have all the details of the old stones and the wooden beams that give character to this bedroom. The original front door, wonderful condition. And if you're interested, outside there is the box. If you would like to use it as a B&B, it's ready to go. And for the gas tank, the gas bottle, they're stored right here. So if you need, the gas bottle is outside.